Million Production.
Welcome back to the video. Today, what's in the box? Oh, what's in the box? You know, I'll film that off. People will know.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
People will know. They shall know. Fragile. You think? But today, alright. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. Now some cake. Okay. Now, first, we need wire brush. You need a wire brush. We need to give it a good old yeet. I think he'll be alright. I think it'll be alright. So I will be putting the... My God. So I will be putting these in the link down below in the description. I always mess up with this. Link below in the description. Link down below. I'll just say that. Link down below. I'll put these down. Link below, link down below. Oh my gosh. And then it's got your little hole. See, that hole needs to be at the bottom. What's this on black shirt? What the hell's going on? Okay. That black hole is supposed to be at the bottom. That's like your water drainer. Water drainer. Alright, what do you think? You think is that straight on there? Let me see it. What do you think is going on? Alright. Push it on. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Oh, we need a thumbnail there. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, we'll cut it here. We'll be right back. Noni. And then, this is how it's looking inside. That's all how it's looking like. And then you got your drainer there. But then, you line it up. And then, give it a good old hit. Look at that. Beautiful. That is perfect. Look at that now. Look at it from a distance. Go a bit back. It looks so much better. It does need a clean. Yeah, that's it. Short little video. And we'll see you in the next one. I think the next video will be a wiper delete. So yeah, next video wiper delete. We shall see you in the next one.
I'm a different kind of chick.